Interested in a 2010 Holden Commodore? You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.